Lane Johnson, come up and say a few words. Congratulations, you're really something special. Thank you.
And go Birds.
Yes, sir. And go Birds.
Jeffrey, maybe you could say a few words. You've done an amazing job in putting this team together. Come on up.
You know, have a team and be as good as this, and this was a dominant team with incredible culture, everything we all believe in as the best human values: selflessness, humility, teamwork, talent, discipline, everything that we all strive for, this team incorporated. So thank you for the hospitality today, and go Birds.